Hi, this is Stone with Actionable Insights, and welcome to this week's Monday Minute. As you may have seen in our social media content last week, due to back-to-back hurricane catastrophe events Helen and Milton, Verisk introduced interim price lists for heavily affected regions of Florida, Georgia, North Carolina, South Carolina, Tennessee, and Virginia. This gives adjusters and restorers more accurate price lists related to higher costs associated with these catastrophe events. We here at Actionable Insights create tools and resources to help reduce claims friction for all involved in a loss. That's why the Actionable Profile now guides its users towards an interim price list that may be available for these regions. Here I have a test estimate open in Xactimate Online. And you can see in the top left, I'm on the Claim Info tab. And in the top middle of the screen, I have the Parameters tab open with a Florida October price list. I'll click on the Insured Info tab on the top left so you can see I have a date of loss affiliated with Milton's landfall. Now you'll see on the top right of the screen, we have one warning in the Exact Expert drawer. I'm going to click on that and zoom in. You can see that I have an alert advising that an interim price list may be available for this region. Now, if I go back to my Parameters tab and search for a new price list, you'll see there's a new interim price list for this area with the 17 October designation. This means I've got updated pricing for this region. Now, this warning is date of loss sensitive. You'll not see this alert if you're working on an estimate from a prior date. If I go back to the Insured Info tab on the top and change my date of loss to, say, June, you'll see the alert go away. This is another great example of the Actionable Profile helping keep everybody informed. Thanks again to Verisk for helping us with these new interim price lists, helping us all keep more accurate with our estimating with these up-to-date price lists. And thanks to you for checking in on this week's Monday Minute, guys. Keep learning and growing.